And one of the flagship programs of the Department of Agriculture is the Benting Bigas, I believe. Would the secretary like to enlighten us on the progress of Benting Bigas and how it's helping our constituencies po?
Mr. Chair, well, yung sa benting bigas natin ay very well accepted, no, everywhere we go. Actually, the other day I was in Sultan Kudarat nung Sabado where we launched it. Coronadal pala, sorry. We launched it pati sa karamihan ng tao doon at yun na nga, tuwan-tuwa lahat talaga. We have 253 outlets now, not include the Kadiwa outlets yon. Plus, we're opening up with in 2 months or 3 months, 130 warehouses ng NFA. Meron na rin and all fish ports sa Pilipinas na owned by Philippine Fisheries Development Authority. Uh, sa 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 mga minimum wage earners naman, ang target namin ng DOLE is by end of this year we have about 650,000 workers na mabibigyan nito. By tomorrow, ang launching natin sa TODA, no, mga jeepney drivers and tricycle drivers. So tuloy-tuloy ang implementation nito. Hopefully by the end of this year, we'll be in all provinces na and almost all municipalities. Para sa 2026 na grand launch natin na nakaset up na lahat. So, every day, mas marami nakikinabang. That's what yan yung magandang balita ho, Mr. Chair.
So